Welcome back to my channel Magic Stitch. Today I will teach you how to cut and stitch Afghani Salwar. It's 2.5 meter fabric. The fabric width is 17 inches. For belt, I am going to mark on 3 inches. You can also take 2.5 inches for belt. Now draw a straight line. In my measurement, crotch length is 12.5 inches. Mark on 12 inches for waist measurement. Hip size 36, 4 equals 9. Add 3 inches, loosing equals 12. Mark at 3 for crotch curve. Join it with a straight line. Make crotch curve. In my measurement, ready length is 37 inches, but I will take 36 inches plus half-inch margin, because we will attach extra fabric for bottom in this salwar. Draw a straight line. My bottom width is 5 inches, so I will take 5 inches. Whatever your bottom width, you will take double in this salwar because we will add pleats. Now join this bottom point to the crotch point. Cut it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Now hold the fabric and open it like this. Mark on 1 inch. Draw a curved line. Mark 1 inch on crotch line. Mark out 5 inches from bottom line. Join bottom point to the crotch point. Now cut it. Please support my channel, friends. Stitch crotch curve, leaving half-inch margin. Our crotch is stitched. Now we will make pleats on bottom line. But first cut the center part a little so you can make easily. Cut it like this as you watching in this video. I will make box pleat on the center of the bottom line, so you will easily know the direction of your pleats. Adding pleats. Left out 7 inches, sew margin on both sides of the bottom. I will make 8 pleats on one side and 8 pleats on another side of the bottom, total 16 pleats on one bottom. Making small pleats, middle pleat is box pleat, so you will make it easily on both sides. You can see the direction of pleats. If you you like my videos, please subscribe and share my channel. I stitch same pleats on another bottom. This is extra fabric for bottom. Canvas paper length is 18 inches and width is 2 inches. Fabric width is 3.5 inches and length is 18 inches. Half inches fold the fabric on side and then paste this canvas paper on fabric on this side. Now attach this on right side of the shalwar. Cut it extra fabric. I will attach lace on my bottom line. It's not necessary, you can skip this part. But if you want to add lace for extra glam, then attach it like this. It's very easy. Both bottoms are ready, now we will make belt. First fold the fabric at 1/2 inch and sew. Sew all round. Add elastic. The length of the elastic is 3 inches, less than your actual waist measurement. Add elastic like this. Don't stitch elastic, stitch the fabric only. Adjust your elastic according to your waist measurements. Now stitch the elastic together. Belt is ready, adjust it, then we will add drawstring. Make a seam piping. Pull out the little thread from front belt side. We will put drawstring in this area. Sew this on elastic, not piping. Sew its second line. drawstring in shalwar. Now stitch inner legs of shalwar. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it.